Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you today. As you can see, it's from the 144 print house. Alright guys, so you can see here, this is Grant's Kwik Lube shirt from the 144 print house collaboration between Nate Hamilton and Grant. So this is actually the back right here. So on the back it says Grant's Kwik Lube with a K. And one of the things you'll always see Grant sharing on his stories is people doing oil changes. Honestly, I have no idea how that started, and next time I see him, I'm gonna buy him a drink and probably Pocari Sweat and ask him about that story because it is really interesting. But he shares them all the time and they're actually really hilarious. But in the bottom here, you see the 4 locations: Japan, Australia, New Zealand, Ireland. If I recall correctly, this shirt was made to help sponsor him in his travels. But the other thing that it comes with is this super awesome sticker here. See here, it says Grant's Kwik Lube, and this is your service date. And you can put this on your oil filter so you know when you do your oil filter the next time, you know how long it's been since it was done, or you have a good idea on when the last time it was done. The 3 metrics is the oil type you used. I think it's a 20W50, but whatever VR1 is, the date, and then the mileage or the kilometers on it. So pretty awesome shirt. Again, same nice quality that all the 144 print house shirts have. They are a little bit on the taller end, like all this extra material down there, but it's based off of their design, and I actually really enjoy it because when I'm at the track, I'll wear one of the other Nate Hamilton shirts, the team shirt, and very durable. It's black, of course, so any oil or mess that gets on there, it's really hard to see, and maybe you only see it during the pre-soak process. And this is the front of the shirt. It says Grant's Kwik Lube, and then in the collar here you see 144 print house or 144 racing, and thankfully they cut the tag off so it doesn't bother you, which is super awesome. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.